Woods Farm here, back out in the garage working on the Volkswagen thing. I'm slowly but surely patching up and removing all this rust. So you can see right here, that's the edge where the floor pans would sit, right in here. So this has all got to be removed and replaced. So I'm going to go quite as high up as I dare. It just starts to kind of curve here, so I think I'm going to just cut below that. And we're going to go along here and maybe down in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this in one panel and curve it around, or maybe two sections, but we'll see. So I've just marked the distances down to the bottom edge. I don't have a lot to reference because you can see we got this edge here and then it just disappears and it comes up and there's a little bit right there. So I can kind of get an idea of how it comes up. So I just got some measurements here, so when I make a cardboard template, I'll know how far I need to go down. Okay, that's what we're left with. That's the plate we removed. This is what it looks like inside the tunnel. That's the linkage for the transmission, and there's all kinds of tubing in here that has cables in it that for various things like the parking brake system. There's also the fuel line, cable for the accelerator, all kinds of stuff. So it's a pretty cool view what it looks like inside the tunnel. Look at that, we're looking right down, straight down the tunnel, right through out the front. Pretty cool. So once I get the piece cut out, I use cardboard to make a template. So that's the pattern. Just like that.
Crazy by the end. Well, Telestrations is like that, with words and sketches mixed in, along with excessive doses of laughter. And for the over 17 crowd, it's a really popular Telestrations.
There we go. It's pretty much on. A couple little problem spots right up here. That's kind of where this metal was a little rusty and it kind of blew through there. And up here the fit wasn't quite as good and I have a little bit of a blow through there. So I'm going to go back and work on this corner, but I'm going to do some grinding in here. Just see where I need to put some touch up. So this side of the tunnel is getting there. You can see how much rusted metal I took out. Quite a bit. The other side of the tunnel is not as bad. So that's good. But making some good progress today. Anyways, you want to see more videos of the Volkswagen Thing restoration, like and subscribe, and I'll be putting up more videos of working on the frame here as we go. Anyways, thanks for watching.